Today we'll be doing a backwash and rinse on a Flowclear sand filter. A few safety topics. Never pump water while people are in the pool. Make sure to test your GFCI switch. The directions will pop up on the screen. Also, do not attempt to move sand filter lever right here while the pump is running. So the first step is turn off the power source to the pump. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna go and take my hose over here on port A, take that off and put it on port D to drain the water and perform the backwash. I'll take this cap and put it on port A for the meantime. Now that I have swapped my lines or put the hose from port A on port D to drain the hose or drain the sand filter and perform the backwash, since I have the pump off now, I will now put it to the backwash position, which is this button right next to the off position. So hear a little bit of water coming out of there. So now I'm going to go turn on the power to the pump and perform the backwash. Water is clear. I'll turn off the pump. Okay, I'm back. So the next step is put it on the rinse setting. I have the pump off, so I'll mess with this lever, and the rinse setting is the little water drop. So I'll go turn on the pump and pump until water is clear. See you in a little bit. Water is clear, so I'm going to turn off the pump and reassemble my fittings. For reassembly, I'm going to take my drain hose off port D and put it back where it belongs on port A, so it can fill the water with water. The pump is running now. The PSI PSI is at 0.08, so I'm not sure if that made it pressure any better or not. Consider hitting the like or subscribe button if you've got anything out of this video. I would appreciate it. This concludes the video on the Flowclear sand filter backwash and rinse. I wrote down some notes. I'm not sure if you can read it or not, but if this helps, have a good day.